This Eucharistic miracle took place in Buenos Aires in Argentina in 1992, later in 1994, then in 1996. Now in 1992, a Eucharistic minister, he doubted the presence of Jesus in the Holy Eucharist. So later as he was celebrating Mass, he notices that a Eucharist has fallen down. So he picks it up and he dissolves it in a vessel containing water, and then he places it in the tabernacle. 3 days later, they remove it out of the tabernacle. Now, these small pieces of ores, they are not dissolved. Instead, they have turned into a reddish substance. Now, this reddish substance was surrounded by a thick red liquid. This red liquid was the blood of Jesus. After doing the DNA test, they came to know that Jesus did not have a biological father and that his only father was Saint Joseph. They also came to know that the blood type was AB positive, which showcased that Jesus was AB positive. This took place in Buenos Aires in Argentina in 1992.